students, good morning to everyone. I, Jaya, is here to teach you chapter 1 of computer, history of computer. Students, have you ever thought what is the previous history of computer? What are the innovations or how computer is invented? Who invented these computers? As you all are using right now computers very well, you know computers, playing games, listening songs, watching movies in computer. But have you ever thought what is the history behind the computer? Students, previously when calculating devices are not there, right now you are using calculator for calculating device as calculating device, but previously calculator was not there. So how they are doing calculations, or we can say primitive people doing calculations, they are using bones, rice or woods for counting purposes. As human mind and technology improved, they developed and they invented new devices. They are called calculating devices. So what are the early calculating devices? Have you ever thought? Early calculating devices are abacus, Napier bones, Pascaline, stabbed reckoner. These are the devices previously we are using for calculating purposes. Abacus. Abacus is a device composed of a wooden boundary with throw inside it. Beads are present in each rod and calculation is done by shifting that beads. This device is invented before 5,000 years ago in China. This device is used for calculating addition and subtraction. Second device, Napier's bones. Napier's bones. This device is invented by John Napier. This device is calculating addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also used for calculating square roots. This device has its specialty for calculating square roots. Third, Pascaline. Pascaline is invented in 1642. Maybe I have skipped one. This device is invented in 1617, and this device after 1617, this Pascaline device is invented in 1642. In 1642, Blaise Pascal is invented this device for calculating addition and subtraction. Then, stabbed reckoner. Stabbed reckoner is invented by God William Belzon. This device is invented in 1671. Right? Students, in this device, or we can say this device is invented with the help of Pascaline device. Pascaline device has 6, 8 or 12 wheels inside it. Through the wheels, calculation are going on. And this device, after this device, Belzon has got an idea to make a new device for faster calculation as stabbed reckoner. This device can calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now let's come to our second topic, difference engine and analytic engine. In 1822, Charles Babbage designed the first mechanical calculating engine called the difference engine. In 1822, this invention is done by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage has made this engine for calculating. This engine or this machine This machine would be able to compute tables of numbers such as logarithm tables and could perform calculating and print the result automatically. In these devices, printing is not being done, so Charles Babbage has made a device called difference engine which can done any mathematical operation and as well as it can be easily printed on a paper. Then using this device for 10 years he has got an idea to innovate a device and made a analytic engine computer. Students, you are thinking 10 years why I am speaking, because after 10 years he has got an idea to make a new device. While making it take some more time. If you got an idea and you have done that thing, not possible, na? So he thought about that idea and then he has doing work on it. Then in 1837, analytical engine has invented. Analytic engine has the foundation of modern computer. Means modern computer and analytic computer is more similar. It had input-output device, a memory unit and many other basic components of today's computer. And this is made by Charles Babbage. This invention is done by Charles Babbage. Therefore, Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Now, let's come to our next topic, ENIAC. ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. ENIAC, with the advance of technology, the first electronic general purpose computer named ENIAC was developed by J.P. Eckert and John Macaulay in 1946. This is first electronic computer which was a revolution in the fields of computer. Means this is the change or revolution of computer. Then UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer 1. This was the first commercial computer, as these computers are very big and very expensive, so easily no one can purchase it. Therefore, they have made a short computer, or we can say the commercial computers came in the way.